Fear not, citizens. Hope has arrived because I am here. If you know the reference, make sure you let it be known in the comment section down below. If you're new to the channel, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications so you know when I upload because we're running it up. All right, we are running it up. Firstly, let's explain or give a quick little backstory on GFAL. GFAL is managed by two executives of very successful video game companies, those companies being Electronic Arts and Activision Blizzard. If you are not familiar with those those companies, Call of Duty, Battlefront, um, Star Wars Battlefront, bunch of Star Wars games. That's Electronic Arts and Activision in a vacuum, in a very small vacuum. They've done great things over there, and now they have created this token. They have created this token named GFAL, who is performing really, really good for the year, and I'm excited. I'm excited for it. Now, is the price down? It is. I asked for it to drop, but even still, it's not even a bad drop. It's still actually 1% up for the last 7 days, and this spike down here, oh, I bought that bad boy. I bought it. I asked y'all to drop that price down, and sure enough, the price was dropped. And I appreciate it. And the volume is still up a lot. The volume is up 35% for the last 24 hours. And this is amidst some news. GFAL is listing on BingX official. Um, and that's going to be on December 27th. That is tomorrow. And they released this news 4 hours before, not 4 hours before recording this video. It was on Christmas Day. I just didn't make the video because it was Christmas Day and I was covering some other stuff, guys. Don't bother me. But it's performing great. And they even have games that are, or they have a game that's already out in Elemental Raiders, who just had a competition that was very, very successful. And they're preparing for season 3, which should be very, very successful. It's a play to earn game, and the season 2 rewards should be great. And I'm going to try to get my hands on the game, but in a way that I can actually be successful and win, because that'll be a fun video. Every here and there, I just play Elemental Raiders, and you guys get to watch me play Elemental Raiders, and then as an investor as well at that, it'll be fun. And Elemental Raiders is just one of their games. They're also creating a game called Dynamo Dreams, Jump Pump game, and a soccer game as well that I always forget the name of, but it's the one I'm most excited for. And those 3 games that I just named are under development. They also have a marketplace, as you would assume, or at least hope for. They have a marketplace where you can buy their items, or buy the items you need to be successful in the game using GFAL tokens. They also have Ramp, which allows you to buy buy what you need as well for these games to be successful. And we come to the store and we see there's actually a deal going on. So if you pay $4 worth of GFAL tokens, you get this Christmas offer. There's also a legendary chest that's only $2, and then if you want oh, 17,000 elemental crystals, it's $100, which is cheap. That is very cheap. So I really want to play this game, and so I can even provide another perspective to you guys. But the marketplace is great. They're partnered with Ramp. They announced that partnership a while back. Not a while back. It was probably like 4 days ago or 6 days ago. I made a video. If you were an all-time watcher of this video of this channel, then you're familiar with that announcement. But they did partner with Ramp. They also did become available for trading on Bit to me, um, on December 12th. So there's a lot of moves they made in December, and this is all right before Bitcoin halving period. And they hit 15,000 holders on December 13th, and their holders are up to 16,600, and they hit 16,000 on December 23rd to the 24th. And it seems like they're about to hit 17,000 before the end of this year. So the token is growing. So if you are someone, we're going to conclude the video here, who has enjoyed my content, who has watched and followed GFAL, and you want to continue seeing it grow, share this video. Share this video everywhere you can with as many people as you can, because I believe in GFAL, and I don't think it would be a bad reason to not believe, or a bad reason to believe in GFAL. BNB is also making a run right now. They're up 6% for this day. They're up 20% for the last 7 days, and this is going to help GFAL be even more successful, as they are a token on their chain, and great things are expected. All this to say, simply, great things are expected. All right. GFAL is a great investment. It has a lot of upside potential, with it being only $60 million in market cap value. And It's expected to be the next Gala. And if you're not familiar with Gala, let me at least show you their price and what their market cap is. They have a price of 0.342. This does not mean that GFAL is going to fall to that price. Their total supply is just larger than GFAL. But their market cap is $900 million. So if they did get to where GFAL or Gala is in a bad market, if they got to the point that Gala was at in a bad market, that's over 10x. That's over 10x. But you only find out if your money 10x is from that investment. If you subscribe to the channel, leave a like and turn on post notifications so you know when I upload. I love you all. You have a blessed one and stay safe. It's good to Legend signing out. Peace.